Hi guys, time for a paper plane. Just for a change, I'm not going to make one from the complete book of paper aeroplanes. I'll make one of these. Create and fly paper planes. 10 planes to make. Contents: 10 ready to fold sheets of paper, 5 plain sheets of paper, sticker sheet, an instruction booklet. Not sure where this one came from. It looks like the sort of thing that Poundland sells, but I don't know. We've had it for a little while, because I think my grandsons have had a go at some of these already. Stickers are still there. So we've got some plain sheets of paper, stickers, and then, yeah, so these are ones that have actually got the fold lines on them. Yes, looks like somebody's had a go at that one. ThunderStrom, Hurricane Hawker, the Dart, and the Glider. So we've got 4 different designs, similar to the sort of thing that was in this one. And I've got some scrap paper I'm going to use, so rather than actually use one of them, because I'll save them for my grandchildren, I'll just follow the diagram on one of these. No particular order to do them in, so we'll start on the left, as is traditional in the way we read our books. Left, 1, 2, 3, 4. So number 1 will be ThunderStorm, or ThunderStrom. Okay. So 1 sheet of paper. And let's move that instructions down there so you can see them. Okay. And fold that way. It's a fairly familiar way of doing it. Done a few like this already, haven't I? Put my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. That might help. Okay. Right, and it does say fold it that way. Right, so we've got those folds. Do this one. We've done that a few times, haven't we? Well, I mean, if you've been watching all my videos, you'll have known we've done that sort of fold quite a few times. If this is the first one, then thank you for viewing. Well, thank you for viewing, even if it's not the first one. So we've done that, and then we've done this as well before. And, let's get this right. Fold the outside edges along the centre line. Outside edges along the centre line. Right. I was getting a step ahead then. Okay, so I've done that. Tuck under loosed flaps, so that means under like that. Okay, and same with that one, under there. Try and get it to fall evenly. Okay, so we've done that. And fold the wings that way. Hang on a minute. Fold the wings down to the lower edge. Hang on. Hang on. Like that. Fold the plane back in half like that. Fold the wings down to the lower edge. What do you mean? I would think it's going to be like that. Is there a picture? No. Thunderstreak. We don't have a Thunderstreak. What is going on? Do they mean that? That would, yeah, if we'd have done that, and that, then that would be that one. Yeah, I think that's what it is. It's from the corner. So it's along that edge there. For real? I think that's it. Looking at the picture, it's not a very clear picture, but yeah, that's it. So it's got a really big bit of bodywork underneath. Right, we'll give that a try. That looks okay. I think I'll raise the camera up. Well, I'm not sure if the camera caught that one. Yeah, scraping the ceiling on the way down. Yeah, that landed behind the camera. You wouldn't have seen it. Well, I changed the camera angle at the end there because it was just flying too high. I was hitting the lights and all sorts. This one goes pretty well. So I'll do a quick summary. Summary time. Well, That one went very nicely. Not quite sure what to call it. Create and Fly Paper Planes pack. Fantastic, it says there. Not sure where I bought it. On the instructions it calls it a ThunderStrom, but when we actually find the pre-printed sheet it calls it a Thunderstreak. So your choice, I guess. ThunderStrom, Thunderstreak. But I folded it out of a piece of ordinary A4 paper. Now initially it was tending to climb and then stall, so we could try playing around with the trim at the end, but I just added a little bit of blue tack, just a small amount, and that kept it nice and level for me. That meant I could throw it quite hard, which meant it was still rising up and hitting the lights and all that in my kitchen. So I was having trouble getting it to go the full distance without hitting the roof. So I think in a big open hall that one would go quite nicely, or outdoors I suppose. So there we go, one of 4 different designs in that pack. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.